Surah Bakara, chapter number, Surah Fatiha, chapter number 1, verses, the opening chapter, verse বলতেছি না, Surah Bakara, chapter number 2, the heifer or the cow, Surah Al-Imran, chapter number 3, the family of Imran, Surah An-Nisa, chapter number 4, the woman, Surah Al-Ma'idah, chapter number 5, the table spread, Surah Al-Anam, chapter number 6, the cattle, Surah Al-Araf, chapter number 7, the heights, Surah Al-Anfal, chapter number 8, the spoils of war, Surah Tawbah, chapter number 9, the repentance, Surah Yunus, chapter number 10, Prophet Jonah, Surah Hud, chapter number 11, Prophet Hud, Surah Yusuf, chapter number 12, Prophet Yusuf, Surah Ar-Ra'd, chapter number 13, the thunder, Surah Ibrahim, chapter number 14, of Prophet Ibrahim, Surah Al-Hijr, chapter number 15, the rocky attack, Surah An-Nihal, chapter number 16, or the beat, Surah Al-Isra, chapter number 17, or the night journey or the children of Israel, Surah Maryam, chapter number 19, or Mother Mary, Surah Toha, chapter number 20, 2 words, Toha, no meaning found, Surah Al-Anbiya, chapter number 21, or the prophets, Surah Al-Hajj, chapter number 22, or the pilgrimage, Surah Al-Muminun, chapter number 23, or the believers, Surah Nur, chapter number 25, or light, Surah Al-Furqan, chapter number 25. ঠিক আছে, তা এটুকুই থাক। আলহামদুলিল্লাহ, we have practiced this surah over here in this shop. So for that some customers passed by, but we did not care, but he was worried. Khokon, কিছু বল, he's Khokon, say hi. Allah Hafiz, hi.
I'm Khokon from Dhanmondi Pachire.
So you are Khokon from Dhanmondi Pachere.
5A.
5A, mashallah.
Okay, fine, thank you.
So thank you, Jazakallah.